good. Thanks, teeny boy. The bacon in you. Bacon in you. Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend, Android the Chihuahua. We are dressed for Christmas because I am in the holiday season. I absolutely love the holidays. We have Halloween coming up here in about 10 days. So today we're going to be filming a Halloween video. I'm just going to wear this Christmas outfit because it's top notch. Android said he's always wearing his Christmas outfit. Year round he's in a Christmas tuxedo. Would you believe it? A Christmas tuxedo. So our project for the day is going to be these really cool Halloween eyeballs. We're making them out of melt and pour soap, so they're going to be very simple. So simple, if you have kids, you could have your kids do this project. The supplies for it are also super cheap. I was able to get the mold at Hobby Lobby. Originally it was $5, but I think I paid like $3.50 for it after my coupon. And then you're going to need a little piping head thing, and those are like $1 as well. So you can get the supplies for this project, the mold and stuff, for like $5. That's dirt cheap. You might as well be giving out soaps instead of Halloween candy this year. That's how cheap this project is. Oh, more belly rub, more belly rub. Before we get into this video though, please consider hitting that like button and the subscribe button. You know, the one that's right there. It is a free way that you can help our channel grow. And it is also a way to ensure that you see all of our future soap making videos. It's a win-win. It's a win for both of us. If you're interested in checking out our shop, I will also leave the link for that in the description down below. All right, let's get started. Let's make some soap. It's like, Mom, I am no baby. Do not talk to me like I am a baby. To begin making our eyeballs, we're going to need a really thin little piece of black soap. I'm currently out of my black mica powder, so I'm just reusing a soap I have on hand here. And I'm cutting it pretty thin. I would say about 1/4 centimeter. Once I have a few of these black pieces cut out, I'm just going to take a little piping topper. I'm going to be using this topper to cut out our circles for the eyeballs. So I'm just going to use it like you would a cookie cutter and just press it down into our black. So to get this out, it's probably a little bit stuck. Just blow some air through this hole and it'll start to come loose. All right, we had one in. These little pupils look really good. So next we're going to be ready to use our mold. This one seemed to be the perfect mold to me. It's technically for chocolate candy, but it's round. When you look at the mold from this angle, it's really easy to think that this is going to end up being not a circular shape, but it actually, the silicone goes in like that a little bit on the inside, so you will get a pretty round shape using this. It'll of course have a little bit of a flat bottom to sit on, but this should be a lot rounder than it looks like right now. So with this mold, we're just going to need to get our pupils in the bottom and just kind of push them down into the bottom a little bit. Those are looking really good, and now we are ready for our next step. We have 6 eyeballs here, and I want us to see what 3 different colors look like. So I have a block of clear melt and pour here, and I'm just going to chop it into 3 different sections. That way we can try out 3 different colors. Next, I'm just going to pop this in the microwave in 30-second increments until it's completely melted. For our first color, we're going to be using this Mermaid Blue color block by Brambleberry. I've cut us off some really teeny tiny slivers to use because I really want this to end up being opaque. So I'm just going to toss them in our melt and pour one at a time and see where it gets us. Our Mermaid Blue is looking incredible. Before you put your first layer of melt and pour into the mold, you're going to want to spritz the top of that with some alcohol just so everything combines really nicely. And then we're just going to pour it in, and you're going to want to be careful so that you end up getting the same amount in each of these. You could use an eyeball dropper if you really wanted to make sure that they were both equal. But I'm just making sure that my black is completely covered, and I think I'm going to use that as my way of measuring how much is going in, and hopefully they end up being close to the same size. The next color we're going to try is this Racing Stripe Orange Mica, and we're going to do the same thing where we just put a teeny bit in to get a nice opaque color. And to get that mica powder to disperse a little easier, I'm going to spritz it with some alcohol. That is a wonderful color for Halloween, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour into those molds, see if we can get the same effect as those blue ones. And for our last color, we're going to be using this Kelly Green Mica from Brambleberry. Our melt and pour soap looks really nice and hard. I've put some white melt and pour soap in a cup, and I'm just going to melt that in 30-second increments. Before pouring our next layer, we just want to spritz that with alcohol, that way our layers stick together. And now we're just going to finish filling these all the way to the top with our white melt and pour. And then to finish off these tops, just spritz it with alcohol one final time, and that will get rid of any possible bubbles that you might have on top. These are nice and hard. Now we can pop them out. So these are our finished project eyeballs. They look so cute. I absolutely love these. I think they're perfect for Halloween. It would make a really good goodie bag gift. These are seriously so cute. I'm absolutely in love with them. I think we did a fabulous job. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please hit that subscribe button so I can see you again. Bye.